next we're going to do a little terrier, maybe like a Yorkshire Terrier. And I have a dark and a light brown. And tip number, what was it, 16, shell tip. And we're going to make 2 colors. So I'm going to go up the side with one color and up the side of the bag with the other color. See, like that. And now we're going to frost the cupcake. I'm going to choose to use the dark brown. Doesn't matter, you can use the light one. This one you barely see any of it, so it doesn't have to be perfect. This one is simple. We're just going to make pull outward all the way around. Now we're going to kind of concentrate in the mouth area, so we're going to be mindful of that. So we're going to have it kind of come down. So this will be the top. This will be coming kind of at an arch. So I'm going to do like this. Now, if your colors don't look right, just turn your bag. Maybe I wanted that a little bit lighter. See, it was darker first. Before I do the other side, I'm going to add, I have just a little red M&M. I'm going to just slide that in there. Okay, I'm going to add little eyes. You can just use buttercream. And the nose. And before I do the ears, I'm going to do a little tuft of hair first. I'm going to start right in between the eyes and kind of just pull up. For his ears, I just have little triangle cookies. Using the same tip. Oops. Before I do that tip, go ahead and do the pink. And I just have a little bit of curling ribbon here. Use any color, just teeny. Just remember that when you serve these, that people need to take these off and not eat these. And there we have our little terrier.